everybody, it's Boxycharm time, y'all. I've had my Boxycharm for about a week now, so forgive me for coming late with my review of it or my unboxing of it, but I've been sick. I was in the hospital and everything, but I'm home now and I want to show you guys because this is a really good, awesome box. I wish I would have got 2 boxes for real, and everybody, if you don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. So it's not like Ipsy where you get the little travel sample sizes that you can probably get those anywhere for free. So, but anyways, this is what it's looking like when you open it. And the card says, "Would you be my galentine?" Okay. And the first thing in here is the Omni Eye Kit. Is by Royal and Langnickel. And they sell this brand at Walmart. And I've heard really good things about this brand, the Royal and Langnickel brand. So, and I did see somebody else unboxing where they had Sedona lace brushes. So, I'm guessing either these, when they ran out of these, or whatever, vice versa. But yeah. But these are really cute. Let's see what it says here. These retail for $29.98. It's a gold and rose gold brush. Okay. So let's open this up. These are really cute. They got a little bit of weight to them. So this is the gold one. It says BOM 40 shader brush. It's the gold one. Yellow gold. And the rose gold is BOM 18 detail brush. They feel good, actually. Oh, yeah. I love getting brushes, if y'all don't know. Love getting a hookup on some brushes. Okay. Alrighty. And we have the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. And, of course, all the stuff's full size. This retails for $79, you guys. Wow. Dr. Brandt, I've heard really good things about him. I had a moisturizer I had when I was getting Ipsy, and I did like the moisturizer that I had tried through them. So this is $79. That didn't pay for your box. You know, we only paid 21 bucks. This didn't pay for the box, and then some. Okay, this here is moisturizing lipstick. And the shade is So Sorry. So let me see, where is that at here? This retails for $18. It's by Real Her. $18 lipstick. Oh boy, let me get into this. Oh, look at how cute it is. It says Sorry, Not Sorry. It's by Real Her. Oh, what a cute little lipstick. Oh, that's a cute shade. I rock that, especially summertime. $18 lipstick. So they doing good. They doing really good. All right, you guys. What is this? A Z palette. We got a Boxycharm Z palette. This retails for $14, and it holds up to 9 shadows. And they put the little magnet sticker things if you want to depot some. And wow. What a cute, I needed one of these. Small Z palette, $14. And they also did, they're featuring Makeup Geek this month. So they gave us 2 Makeup Geek shadows. Each Makeup Geek shadow retails for $6. So these are $12 for both of them. So I got 2 of them. And let's see, this one is Creme Brulee. Let's see, might not show up on me, but yeah, this is a really good transition color. I love Makeup Geek shadows, and I'm about to stick it right on in here in my Z palette. So this is what it looks like in the Z palette. I don't know if you can see the swatch over here next to the lipstick. It's a really cute transition color. I love it. Okay, and the next one I got is Cinderella. So you guys, that's my Boxycharm. I'm so excited. You guys need to, if they're not sold out for this month, you definitely should sign up this month and get the hookup. So yeah. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe. Thanks.